are here in Lowe's Royal Pacific Resort, a beautiful property, one of our 3 premier hotels. So we really want to break that down and make sure that you understand what Premier is going to give your clients. So first and foremost, they really are full service hotels. So we have here Lowe's Royal Pacific, we also have the Hard Rock Hotel, and we have Lowe's Portofino Bay Hotel. So across all 3 of those premier hotels, you have a lot of great benefits to staying in that category, that level of hotel. I would say one of the biggest benefits is the Unlimited Express. So everyone that stays in a premier resort gets Unlimited Express included with their stay. So how that works, when you check in, you get the room key, and it specifies on the room key Universal's Unlimited Express, and it prints a barcode on the bottom. So your room key acts as your express pass within the parks. Now you can check in early. So let's say you're having your first day of vacation and you want to hit the ground running into the parks. You can do a prelim check-in from 7 a.m. at the front desk. Your room obviously may not be ready, official check-in is 4, but they will give you the room key with the express access, and then you can head straight into the parks, have your day of fun, and come back to your room later in the afternoon. But it's a huge added benefit. It's for everybody in the room, so our standard rooms will take up to a maximum of 5 people. Everybody in the room will have express. So that is a big selling feature. Just means that you can cut those wait times for the attractions in the parks and really make the most out of your vacation. Another great feature that we have here is, of course, I mentioned it's a full service property. So we have full valet service. We have full bell service, meaning we have a team that will store your luggage and then take it to the room for you. When you're ready to depart, they'll take your luggage downstairs for you as well. So full service. We also have a concierge desk, so they can help you with all of your needs when you're here.
Yeah, speaking of concierge, Lisa, so another great thing about being in one of the premier properties is access to priority seating. So if you're a bit kind of on the fly like I am, you don't always make plans ahead of time, but you want to get into that restaurant, if you go over to the concierge, they may be able to get you into those restaurants that may otherwise look like they're fully booked. So again, check the app out. If it looks like it's fully booked, go and see the concierge, because they may have some extra seating that comes when you stay at a premier property.